Oh, this is a big boy. This is our M255E, 900 CFM compressor. E-power, meaning it is an electrical portable compressor. I know it seems a little weird, right?
That's right. These large portable compressors are more for the industrial market. They're used for backup air. Also could be used in applications where they don't have enough room in their facility for a compressor. This can go outside and can operate outside in temperatures down to 14 degrees and then up to 113.
So you're wondering how hard it is to bring power to this compressor that's sitting outside. We made it fairly easy here. We have, you can see different colors for the different 3 size wires. We have an L1, an L2, and an L3, along with your ground terminals. Basically, you're bringing your wires from the facility out to here. You're wiring it right here. All the thing you have to do is hook an air pipe out to get your compressed air back into your system, and you're good to go. Electric
is just as reliable, if not more, than diesel or gas engines. The electric motors require very little maintenance at all, if any, and they can operate for 10+ years without any real major maintenance or concerns.
That's basically it. You're greasing the motor bearings on the drive side and the non-drive side. These can operate for years and years and years.